Will Smith feels blessed to have restored his relationship with his eldest son. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air star is lucky to have a great relationship with his 26-year-old son Trey, but admits it has not been easy and they had struggled for years before getting to this point. Alongside a video of him and his son, Will wrote on Instagram, "It has not always been like this between Trey and I. We struggled for years after my divorce from his mother. He felt betrayed and abandoned. It is a wild blessing to recover and restore a loving relationship with my beautiful son." At Trey Smith 0011. In the video, the 50-year-old actor revealed Trey had recently called his dad his best friend. Meanwhile, Will previously joked that his kids finally think he's cool thanks to Suicide Squad, and he is grateful his role in the movie has given him some power in his household. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.